Good morning friends, my name is Kalyani Tarte and today's topic is nervous system. The nervous system is a complex network of nerves and cells that carry message from brain to the spinal cord to the various parts of the body. Components of the nervous system, that is central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system consists of two main parts, that is brain and spinal cord. Then peripheral nervous system contains somatic nervous system and autonomic nervous system. Central nervous system consists of brain. Is divided into three principles, that is forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. First one is a forebrain. Forebrain consists of cerebrum and limbic system, thalamus and hypothalamus. Cerebrum forms the bulk of brain and is supported on the brainstem. They are divided into two hemispheres. It has four paired lobes, that is frontal, parietal, occipital and temporal lobe. Each hemisphere control activity of side of the body and opposite that hemisphere. The diencephalon include the thalamus and hypothalamus. Hypothalamus is smaller part of the diencephalon. Then second one is a midbrain. It provides conduction of pathway of from higher to lower centers. Then third one is a hindbrain. It consists of the cerebellum. It is located behind and below the cerebrum, responsible for muscle coordination, balance and posture. Then the pons act as a pathway to higher structure. Then the brainstem, it is also known as a medulla oblongata. It is located between the pons and spinal cord. It is responsible for breathing, swelling, heartbeat and blood pressure. There are three types of nerves, that is sensory nerve, motor nerve and mixed nerve. Then the second one is a spinal cord. It is long tube-like structure which extends from the brain. It composed of a series of 31 segments. A pair of spinal cord nerves came out of each segment. Then the third one is the other parts of the CNS system. Three layer of membrane that covers the brain and spinal cord are: outermost layer is called as a dura mater, middle layer is known as a orchid, innermost layer is known as a pia mater. Neurons or nerve cell. The neuron is a basic unit of the nervous system. It is specialized conductor cell that receive and transmit electrochemical nerve impulses. It has three different parts, that is soma, dendrites and axons. Then the peripheral nervous system consists of somatic and autonomic nervous system. Somatic nervous system control the voluntary actions. Cranial nerves are part of the peripheral nervous system with exception of optical nerve. However, the remaining 10 cranial nerve axon extend beyond the brain and therefore considered the part of the PNS. This also consists of motor nerve fibers that come out brain and take message from movement and necessary action to the skeletal muscle. Then second one is the autonomic nervous system. It controls the involuntary action of the body. There are three parts, that is sympathetic nervous system, parasympathetic nervous system and enteric nervous system. The nervous system controls nerves of inner organs of body on which human have no conscious control. Then type of nervous system with their function of particular system. Then first one is a CNS. The function of CNS system is brain and spinal cord integrates and coordinates sensory data and motor commands. Then peripheral nervous system allows the communication between CNS and rest of the body, composed of cranial, spinal, nerve and then third one is a somatic nerve system. Subdivision of PNS that control voluntary actions such as activation of skeletal muscles. Fourth one is a autonomic nervous system. It is a subdivision of PNS that regulates activity of heart and smooth muscles and of glands and involuntary action. And functions of the nervous system. It consists of monitoring changes, interpretation of sensory input, effects response by activating muscles or glands, mental activity, homeostasis, then illness of the nervous system, that is paralysis and Parkinson disease. Thank you.